Good morning. Happy Monday. It is Monday, May 18th. But more important than that, happy last week of school. Crazy. We're here. This is it, the final stretch. We will be done on Thursday. You are finished forever with your sophomore year. So that's pretty amazing. A couple of quick reminders. This week is very light loaded for you. Okay, so I just have a couple of reminders. If you look at my little Bitmoji there with the board. Number one, make sure this week you turn in all missing work by Wednesday. By this Wednesday at noon. I need all missing work. Okay, I have to have grades turned in by the end of the week, and I need time to get that done. So by Wednesday at noon, if you are missing anything, turn it in, and then also please email me when you turn it in, okay? Please email me that that assignment is finished. Again, make sure you're polite in your emails when you're not just emailing me, when you're emailing any teacher. We have a lot of late work coming in, so be patient. Know that we are all working very hard to get your grades where you need them to be for the end of the semester. So just be polite. Say, good morning, Miss Meeker. I just wanted to let you know I submitted this assignment. When you get a second, could you please put it in the grade book? Okay, so again, don't just turn them in. Make sure you email me because I will go through and check, but if I don't have those emails, I might miss it. And I need all of that by Wednesday, 2 days from now at noon. Okay. The second thing, the only thing you have to do this week assignment wise is I already posted it. It's on Google Classroom, is a final Flipgrid assignment. Okay. This is a completion grade. And make sure that that is done by Thursday at noon. So you might as well just do it this week. Start out this week, get it done today, turn it in, and then you're finished for me as long as you don't have missing work. Okay. That's due by Thursday, but the sooner you get it done, the better. I have to sneeze. Excuse me. Um, anyway, since it's the end of the year and I don't get to say goodbye the way I normally would, I just want to let you know that I am over the moon proud of you all. You have stepped up to an incredible challenge, something that none of us ever in a million years could have expected would happen. Something that none of us were even prepared for. This was surreal. It still does not seem like reality. And I am incredibly proud of you. I'm so proud of you. And I think that you all should be proud of yourselves. I have enjoyed being your teacher this year. You have made me laugh. You've made me crazy. You've made me incredibly proud. Um, and I just am really thankful that I got to spend this year with you. So just know that even on the days that some of you drove me absolutely insane, that I have nothing but love for you, that I am incredibly thankful to have had you for this year, and I hope that you have a great summer. I wish you the best. Those of you going to Butler Tech, go, take over, be awesome, do your best work. Those of you who will be back at Monroe next year, I will see you next year. I might even have a class of juniors next year, so I might even get to be some of your teacher again. Um, but anyway, just know that you're loved. Okay, this summer, make good choices. Come back to us next year. Pray that next year will be normal. And just know that you're loved. And I wish you well. Okay.